Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have a message for you from a nature elemental. Back in the summer of last year, as I was walking through one of our parks where I live, I got a telepathic message from this nature elemental who called herself Sofia. Loved her energies and really made a nice connection with her. So I had invited her to give me a message if she chose to do so. So anyways, she did come in sometime later and gave me a message that really is wonderful and I believe to be for all of us, not just me. So in any case, here goes the message. One other thing, I have transcribed the message into script. So you can listen to the recording, or you can read the script in the description below, or do both. So in any case, I thank you for watching. Please give a like. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I appreciate you, and I wish you all a great rest of the week. So I will be seeing you soon. Thanks again for watching.
I am Sofia. It is with great pleasure that I connect with you. I am your nature guide. It is the sounds around you. When you are in nature, you hear the songs of nature's delight, nature's embracing love for all who witness her beauty. And her beauty extends beyond what you physically see, what you physically hear, for her beauty is inside each and every being. This is how beauty in nature is manifested. Without you, we would not be possible. So I come to you to honor you and show you that we are inside of you. We are you expressed. We are you manifest. The birds and animals rejoice in sharing this beauty. They sing, therefore they live. The forests, the streams, they're all part of our journey. We love you just as you love us. And our frequencies are such that you are able to assimilate and be part of those frequencies. We love being here, part of your expression and our expression. We are infinite as you are infinite. We are all together. We are forever with you. We are forever in you. And you are forever in us. We are nature. We are the same gift we give you that you give us. I am Sofia. And I am in nature. I am in you. I am in you as nature expressed.